Hi everybody, I'm gonna do a bloom over top of this painting I didn't care for. It's my white eggshell house paint. It's made by Beautitone in Canada. And it's Kitchen and Bath Beautitone clear base. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use red and gold and some sea glass piggy. So this one is Primary Magenta by PEBEO. I'm going to use it all probably. Should be enough. This is Watermelon by this little piggy, Pigments. It's consistency, see it barely makes a mound. Gold, Amsterdam Deep Gold. I thinned my paints down a little bit more, just I need them thinner than my pillow paint, and I think I've been kind of ignoring that. But and this is sea glass, which I'm almost out of, so. Okay. Okay, so I've got some black cell activator, which is mixed 50-50 with the regular FLOETROL. Oops, too much. I'm going to use my small hairdryer blower with my funnel on cool. Holy moly moly. It's all to one side. I didn't mean to do that. I lost one side of it. So I'll let this settle in the middle and see what I got. Gorgeous colors. The watermelon and the red really go nice together. And the sea glass, wow. Beautiful. I see other people blowing into the black to get more cells to pop through, but I never seem to have luck with that. Okay, let's see if it's gonna move. It's moving pretty good. So I'll tip it this way. Move my stuff out of the way. Okay, let's spin this. Look at all that gorgeous that came off here. I'm going to spin, make sure I got the right centered enough. I need to go this way a little bit. Okay, here we go. The other way. That went right over. Awesome. I need my skewer to poke this white. And I'm loving these colors. Oh my goodness. See if it moves much. Not moving too much. I think I'm going to give it one more spin. I just want to see if I can get this corner off. Whoa. Pretty good. It's a deep canvas, so it's going to take a lot more to cover the sides. Let's give it another spin. There, I'm loving it just the way it is. My gold is here and here. A little bit coming through there, but seem to have lost my gold. It just blended in with the colors there anyway. So what do you think? Do you like it? I love it. I think it looks good this way. Let's see if it moves anymore. It's pretty good. Do I need another corner off? There, that's good. I like those two gold corners. There you go. I love it, and thanks for watching. Have a great day, and try the watermelon and the red together. Whoa, really pretty with this sea glass. And I think it'll be a nice shiny painting when it's dry. I'll put the dry result at the end of the video. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Come back to Carol's Art Room and see some more great videos. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. Here's my dry canvas. It's got a nice shine to it. Really nice. It's awesome. Just a Pinot Gris up there. I love these colors together. Turned out great. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, everyone.